washing. This video is also good as a complete wash, with the 150-gram bag, as time and mode, for laundry up to 8 kilograms. How to test with a sample. When you receive the sample, please read the instructions carefully. The sample of 15 grams, being limited, can be used for a hand wash of a sock or ghost or a slip. The test is limited to normal odors or dirt. Your hand that acts as mechanical active principle just for a few minutes. Shake by moving the bag and the object together, and shake both the bag and the garment, trying to squeeze the latter well to emulate the mechanical active principle. But it is important to leave everything for at least 45 minutes. In the end, squeeze even better and with energy. Finally, rinse under the tap to refresh the garment. Now just let your laundry dry very well. Once dry, the odor and dirt will have disappeared, in favor of fresh laundry. This is a simple, but real, more evident proof of the effectiveness of the Magnesium wash bag. Thank you for choosing Magnesium Wash.